Hey guys, this is Nick from ForexNoobs.com with the Euro USD weekly analysis for week starting Sunday, the 30th of September 2012. You're looking at a Euro USD 4-hour chart, and in this video I'm going to take you through the important support and resistance areas we have this week and show you how they could possibly impact price. In fact, I'm going to show you how they've already impacted price this week, as two of these areas have already been hit. Now I'm going to start with the resistance areas. That's the ones up top. The first resistance area is here. It starts around about the 1.29010, goes to around about the 1.2930. So this one here. Now this is a strong area of resistance. It was hit several times last week. As you can see, we had one bounce here, and this was it acting as support. We had another bounce here, another bounce, and eventually it broke through. And then it came back up to it, and we got this awesome reversal trade last week. I didn't take this reversal trade, but this was a great reversal trade setup, and price came up to it, bounced away from it. So this is definitely an area of support and resistance, and this week there are definitely sellers grouped up in this area. So there are definitely sellers grouped up in this area, and they want to push price down, and we can see that already because, as you can see, the bulls came up to this level. So buyers came up to this level, they pushed up into here. They had this big long wick up into here, but then sellers flooded the market and they pushed price back down, and then you get this bearish indecision candle. So it's very clear that there are sellers up in this level. The bulls tried to get through it, but they couldn't because the selling pressure was too strong and the sellers took control of the market. So there are definitely sellers grouped up here, and I will be looking to take some bearish reversal trades from this level. Just like this one we're seeing right now. This is a potential reversal trade setup right here. So I'll be looking to possibly enter this trade, but maybe on the 8-hour chart instead of the 4-hour chart, as per the rules of my trading strategy. And I've linked to my trading strategy below. So you can check it out for free. It's completely free. You can check out my trading strategy and see how I spot and trade setups like this one. Now, I'm not saying I'm entering this trade yet. This is just a potential setup. I'm going to have to wait and see how it all pans out. Okay, so to sum up, this is definitely an area of resistance up here. There are sellers grouped up in this level, so I'm going to be looking for bearish reversal trades from this area. And if you're in a long trade, you may want to consider exiting in this area or tightening your stop losses to protect some pips in this area. Okay, the next area of resistance this week is at the 1.3010 through to the 1.3030 up here. Now this is another strong area of resistance. Acted well last week. We can see we got that bounce there last week. There are definitely sellers grouped up in this area, and they're going to want to push price down. If the bulls make it up to here, sellers are going to try to flood the market and push price down. There are definitely sellers grouped up here, so watch out for this area. I will be looking to take some bearish reversal trades from this level. So if price comes up here, I'll be looking for signs of indecision as per my trading strategy, and I'll be looking to take some short reversal trades. If you're in a long trade, you may want to consider exiting at this level, or you may want to consider tightening your stop losses. Now let's look at one more area of resistance. Now this one is way up here at the 1.330 through to the 1.350. So this one here. Now again, this is a strong area of resistance. There are sellers grouped up in this area. If price moves up here this week, I will be looking for signs of indecision. I'll be looking to take some short reversal trades. If you're in a long trade and price reaches up here, you may want to consider exiting here or tightening your stop losses. There are definitely sellers grouped up here, and they're going to want to push price down if the bulls reach this area. So watch out for that. Now let's look at the short side. To the short side, our first area of support is here at the 1.2810 through to the 1.2835. Now this is a strong area of support, and we can already see it's a strong area of support this week because price came down to it with this first candle of the week, and then buyers, they just flooded the market and they pushed price up for 1, 2, 3, 4 consistent candles. They pushed price up. So buyers flooded the market when sellers reached this area. So this is a confirmed area of support. It acted as support last week, 1 bounce, 2 bounce, and it acted as support again this week. So this is definitely an area of support. If the bears manage to push price back down into this area, I'll be looking for signs of a bullish reversal setup. I'll be looking to enter a bullish reversal trade. And if you're in a short trade, you may want to consider exiting in this area or tightening your stop losses. Okay, next to the short side, we have the 1.2700. That doubles as a psych level through to the 1.2730. Again, this is a strong area of support. If price comes down to here, I'll be looking to take some bullish reversal trades as per the rules of my trading strategy. And if you're in a short trade, you may want to watch out for this area, tightening your stop losses or just exit around here. And next, we'll just look at one more to the short side. We have the 1.2590 through to the 1.2610. Now, again, strong area of support. Definitely buyers group down in this area. If price manages to come down to here this week, I'll be looking for signs of indecision so I can take a bullish reversal trade. And if you're holding a short position, you may consider exiting down in this area. So that pretty much sums it up for Euro USD this week. I've shown you all the major areas of support and resistance close to current price. So use these areas, use them for reversal trades. Thank you for watching. I hope this analysis was useful. Have a great trading week.